An attorney, in fact, is a critical figure in estate planning. Let's break down what this role actually involves for your finances. The most important thing to know is that an attorney, in fact, is simply an agent, not necessarily a lawyer. They are bound by a fiduciary duty, meaning they must manage your affairs solely for your benefit, never for their own. They step in to handle financial tasks when you are unable to, such as paying bills or managing your investment holdings. Don't get confused by the name. An attorney, in fact, does not need a law degree to perform these financial duties. You decide when their power begins. Most people choose to trigger this authority only if they become medically incapacitated. Because this person has significant control over your assets, selecting someone you trust implicitly is the most important step. Speak with an estate attorney to draft your power of attorney document correctly. Thanks for watching and stay informed.